Hello, welcome back to another video of Java programming. As you know that in our previous video we already talked about the types of error in programming language, and we have discussed about the syntax error. In this video we'll talk about runtime error. So let's focus on runtime error. So first we'll understand what is runtime error, and then we'll move to the practical example. So here the first point that I am going to discuss, that runtime errors occur during the execution of a program and typically result from unforeseen circumstances or unexpected condition. So we'll talk about this, what are the scenario that it can happen. Okay, runtime errors are errors that cause a program to terminate abnormally. So it will compile the compilation process will be done successfully, and when you will run the program, that time it will show the error and it will terminate the program abnormally. Next point, they occur while a program is running if the environment detects an operation that is impossible to carry out. Input mistakes typically cause runtime error. So if I'll give example, then it will be clear for you. An input error occurs when the program is waiting for user to enter a value, okay, but the user enter a value that the program cannot handle. So if it is asking for the string field, but you are giving the integer field, or it is asking for the integer field, and if you are giving the string field value, then it cannot handle the program correctly if you are not writing the code properly. For instance, if the program expects to read in a number, but instead of that the user enter a string, so this cause the data type error to occur in the program itself. So that time if the program will not run and it will fail or terminate abnormally. Another example that I want to give, that is the divided by zero issue. Another example of runtime error is divided by zero. This happens when the divisor is the zero for integer division. So I'll show you this particular example, divided by zero, then it will be more clear for you. So let's jump into the practical session and I'll show you that particular error. So here you can see that I have written a program, so runtime error, and it is having the main method is there, and we have a system.out and println, and there I directly giving any operation, that is 1 divided by 0. You can give 100 by divided by 0, that is not the issue, but here divided by 0 is there, and that is the mathematical error, and it is the problem in case of programming language. Okay, and it will reflect on the runtime only. You will not get any kind of error at the time of compilation. So if we'll go to tool and compile, you will get no issue. It is showing that tool completed successfully. It means the compilation process is done and they have not found any kind of error. That means the compiler, JavaC compiler, have not found any kind of error. But if we'll go to the tool again, and if you will try to run, that time you will get error. So please look at this error here, that it is saying divided by 0 and at show runtime in the program and in the main function in line number 3, this problem is present. So you have to remember that in this case, if you are trying to divide by 0, you will get this type of error. So like this, so many errors that can be happen in the runtime, so you have to be careful while writing the code. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video we'll talk about the logical error or logic error.